Hello everyone, we are going to have a dynamic text in our HTML. So we are going to make it happen by using the JavaScript and HTML. So for that we are using this kind of documentation like document.create element and get element by id, and we are going to add some dynamic text into our HTML. So for that, first we are uh, going to our HTML code and write some div inside it. So for that we are going to add this below this slide bar some div, for example div id div id sorry div id, and we write it as a menu, and the style will be position absolute, and then top range will be 290 pixel, and close this div, and inside this we are going to introduce a new div uh, with a div id a, and close this div. Okay, so this one we haven't used any hard coded item here, so we are going to insert our text or insert our menu inside it by using JavaScript code. So we are not going to add anything like something like this, like for example when we see this uh, for example when I open it live server, we can see this name. Yeah, so we are not going to do like this. We are going to hard code it. We are not going to hard code it, so we are going to write JavaScript code for it. So for that I am going to go to this script tag, and inside it first first of all I have to create a toggable layer. So I have created this toggable layer IDs and insert two parameters, two things inside it. So alcohol consumption and cigarette consumption in the toggable layer ID. So after that I am using a for loop. So for variable I equals to 0 and I is less than toggable layer ID dot length, so I will loop around until the length of the toggable ID. So after the execution of 2 it will stop, the for loop will stop. So variable ID I will add this toggable values inside the ID inside variable ID. So after that I will create a link by using document as I showed you earlier, using create element, and I will create the link inside that a means this div a. Okay, so I will just comment it, creating a mentioned above. Okay, so after that I will link this with the property href. So I will put it hash, so that if you click in hash it will go inside this again, so nothing will be changed, only for the link purpose. We can use any link, but it's not worth it here. So I will link a class name as an active. So this will activate active or passive thing. So we have to comment it out. So we are using the class name as active. So for that we are going to the style file and create some menu. Inside the menu, like we have here inside this menu, we are using inside this a the element of menu in a, we are declaring the active thing as a background color will be some maybe black, okay, and color will be white, border width will be 0 pixel, margin will be 10 pixel, width will be 80 pixel. So this is the active thing, but we can't see anything inside our map because our JavaScript has not been completed it. So after this active I am going to use the text content property. So I will use the ID as the text content, and I will create a layers in which document I will get the element by ID, which is menu for me, and I will add append the link with this layer. This link has been href it's I will use this link here. Okay, so I am going to save it and see anything happens here. So we can see the three options dynamically because we haven't write it down inside this step. These elements are added from here. So for that we can use some REST API which we can get from some server, and we can add these things dynamically to here. So okay, so we are going to create a clean these things. So for that we are going to have some change in the style. So in the style I am going to change the menu, and I'm going to change inside menu A. So font size will be 13 pixel. So we are going to see each and everything. So it has been now smaller size, and font weight will be bold, so it will be a little bit bold, and color will be 404040. so it will be a gray color. It's gray, but we cannot differentiate the much. float left, so it will be now when floated left it will be in good position. Now margin left I put 10 pixel, and okay, that so it goes uh, at this position now in the left position, and width will be 80 pixel, and again see the result. Okay, no, not much changes. Then padding, so it will make the box little bit good. Yeah, now text decoration none, so the links, the underline will be gone from this, like when we write text decoration as none. And text align will be center align, so it will be centered align. Okay, it has been centered align. And after that background color, background will be okay, so white color. So the background of whole total will be white, but this is black, and this color is black due to our JavaScript. For example, we have used the active as a black, so it has used active case in here. So if we comment it out, we can see the white color here. Okay, so we use at is as it is as active, and see the things, two options here. So when you again reload, yeah, so now we are in the next some exercises. After, we are going to make it work with the click of the mouse. Yeah, thank you for watching.